Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send yoga meditation tutorials on WhatsApp when payment is received. Okay, so now here the idea is, I am a yoga teacher and now I want to sell my meditation tutorials online. So whenever a customer is going to make payment, I want to send the file to them on their WhatsApp online. So for this, here I am using two software applications, Razer Pay and WhatsApp. So here Razer Pay is a payment gateway which I am using to receive payments, and you can use any payment gateway just like Stripe and PayPal. Okay, so I am using WhatsApp, which is a chat application, to send messages. But there is an issue. Razer Pay and WhatsApp do not have any integrations or any direct contact between them. So how I am going to perform this task? Either I have to collect all the details of my customer whenever I am going to receive the payment, manually sort it out, and then keep on sending messages on WhatsApp. But this process is actually very repetitive and tiresome. So here I would suggest you to bring in some automation between Razer Pay and WhatsApp. So for this, here in this video, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will build an integration between Razer Pay and WhatsApp. So here what will happen is, whenever I am going to receive a payment from any customer into Razer Pay, a file will be sent to them onto their WhatsApp automatically. Isn't it wonderful? But the best part here is, to use Pabbly Connect, you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Any non-technical person can also use Pabbly Connect really very easily. So let us understand this complete process on my screen along with a real-time example. Okay guys, so this is the dashboard of Razer Pay. Here I've already created my account and started using Razer Pay. You can also create your account and start using it to perform various tasks here. So you can see you can create invoices, payment links, payment pages and various activities. So from here, from this option, payment pages, I have created a payment page for my business, which is yoga meditation tutorials. You can also create your page from here only. So this is my payment page. So whenever I'm going to receive a payment from this payment page, I want to send a message to the customer on their WhatsApp. So here what I'm going to do right now is, I'm going to show you as an example that how this process is going to work. So for this, here I'm going to make a demo payment and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message is sending or not. So here I'm going to make a payment. For example, I'm going to do payment for, this is the customer, Zoya Khan. So here I'm going to make a payment of 500 rupees. Now here I would like to tell you that I am using Razer Pay in test mode. So that is why I'm going to add all the card details as dummy card details and not the real one. Okay, so here is the username and then I'm going to pay. Here I'm using Razer Pay into test mode. That is why it is asking me to whether make the payment success or failure. But in real time, it won't show up like this. So here I'm going to make the payment successful. Now, as you can see, the payment here is successful. Here you can see the payment is successful. Now we are going to check on WhatsApp if the message for this yoga meditation tutorial is sent or not. So here is my WhatsApp page. Let's see here, and excellent. Here you can see this is the message for Zoya Khan, which was our customer. Hi Zoya Khan, congratulations, you have successfully completed registration for yoga course, and this is a confirmation message for your secure online payment. So this is how this process is going to work, that whenever a customer is going to make payment to purchase yoga meditation tutorials, a message to them will be sent automatically onto their WhatsApp. So here you can see this will be their file, course file, and from here they can access the course they have purchased. So this way this process is going to work. Now you must be thinking, how did I manage to create this automation between WhatsApp and Razer Pay? So here I would like to tell you that I followed 3 very simple steps and created the automation between WhatsApp and Razer Pay. So I'm going to tell you that what are those steps so you can also follow the same and create this workflow. Okay guys, so these are the steps which I followed to create this automation between Razer Pay and WhatsApp. So the step 1 is connect Razer Pay to Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook URL. Okay, so here first we need to log in into Pabbly Connect, and then we need to connect our Razer Pay account with Pabbly Connect with the help of a Webhook URL. So this Webhook URL is basically an address provided by Pabbly Connect. You have to copy the same address and paste it into Razer Pay, and this way our Razer Pay account will get connected into Pabbly Connect. Now in the second step, we have to collect the data from Razer Pay into Pabbly Connect. Okay, once the account is connected with Pabbly Connect, the data which we are going to enter into Razer Pay will get automatically captured here into Pabbly Connect. For example, if a customer is going to make payment from my payment page, the details of that customer will get captured automatically here into Pabbly Connect. Okay, and in the third step, we have to send the same data to 𝗏𝗏 for sending messages on WhatsApp. Okay, so before explaining the third step, here I would like to tell you that do not get confused what is this term 𝗏𝗏. So here I would like to tell you that on WhatsApp you cannot send messages directly. So here to integrate WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect, we are going to use a software named as 𝗏𝗏. So further in the video, I am going to tell you that how you can also start using 𝗏𝗏. But first, let's understand the third step. So here in the third step, what we have to do is the data which was collected into Pabbly Connect from Razer Pay, we have to transfer the same data into 𝗏𝗏 to start sending messages on WhatsApp. So let us understand this complete process on my screen. So for this, you have to keep watching this video till end so you can understand how this process is going to work actually. Okay guys, so to start with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly, P-A-B-B-L-Y, pabbly.com. Okay, so here, this is how the website of pabbly.com looks like. Here on this option, products, you can see this connect. This option named as connect. You have to click on connect, and after clicking on connect, you can see this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on sign in. Why? Because I've already created my account into Pabbly Connect. But if you are a new user, you can also create your account just by signing up for free in 2 minutes. So here I'm going to click on sign in, and to continue with the workflow, I'm going to click on connect and access now. So once I clicked on access now, here you can see this dashboard will appear. And here on the top right corner, I'm going to click on this button named as create workflow. And this dialog box will appear. So here we have to mention the name of our workflow. So here I'm going to give it as Razer Pay to WhatsApp according to my topic. You can give it according to your choice as well. Right now I'm just giving it as the topics, which is Razer Pay to WhatsApp. And then I'm going to click on create. So once the name of workflow is created, you can see this window will appear. And here at this window, there are two boxes. The first one is trigger, the second one is action. So here you must be thinking, what are they? What is trigger and what is action? So here I would like to explain you that automation works on the concept of triggers and actions. So here the trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So according to our example, our topic, here the trigger will be when a payment is received in Razer Pay, the action will be send a WhatsApp message. So here let us complete this process practically. So here in the choose app, I am going to choose Razer Pay. Okay, Razer Pay. And here you can see after choosing the app, we need to select the trigger event. So here is the trigger event. I am going to choose payment captured according to our topic. So here you can see after selecting the trigger event, this webhook URL has been provided by Pabbly Connect along with the step guides. So let us first read the step guides here. So here you can see it is written that log into your Razer Pay dashboard and navigate to settings and webhooks. Okay, so here is my Razer Pay dashboard. As I told you earlier that I've already created my account. So you can also create your account, and here is the dashboard. Here on the bottom left corner, you can see this option named as settings. We have to click on settings, and at settings, we have to click on webhooks. And here you can see this is the option of webhooks. Now what I am going to do is here I'm going to click on add new webhook. So here we have to provide a webhook URL. So this is the same webhook URL provided by Pabbly Connect. We just have to copy this, and then we need to copy and paste it here. Okay, and then we need to these fields are not important. So here I'm just going to write payment captured. Once it is written, I'm going to click on create webhook. Okay, so here you can see my Razer Pay account is connected with Pabbly Connect here. Now you can see it is waiting for Webhook Response. So Webhook Response is the response which the data which we are going to mention into our payment page. That same data is going to get collected here into Pabbly Connect. So here what I'm going to do right now is again I'm going to make a payment with a customer and we will see that the same details are getting collected into Pabbly Connect or not. So here is my customer. Here I'm going to make a payment for this customer. So here you can see this is our customer named as Athar Khan. Here all the details. Right now I'm just going to make the payment. Okay, and again here you can see this payment is successful here. So now we are going to check if the same details are captured into Pabbly Connect or not. Oh, and excellent. Here you can see all the details are captured here into Pabbly Connect of that customer. For example, the email address, phone number and his full name. So here you can see the payment was of ₹500. So here let's see what are the data captured here. So as you can see here, the data is captured into international format. So that is why 2 extra zeros are showing here. It's just decimal is not captured. So you do not need to get confused here. The amount is going to remain same, which is 500 Indian rupees. Okay. So here what I'm going to do next is I'm going to check what are the details captured here. So here you can see every detail is available apart from the product name. What was our product? Our product was yoga meditation tutorials. Okay. So here you can see the product name is not captured here into Pabbly Connect from Razer Pay. So I would like to tell you here that Razer Pay do not provide the product name while making payments. So here comes a problem that what if I want to just sell these yoga meditation tutorials, but as my Razer Pay account is connected with Pabbly Connect, if any customer is going to make payment, there is no difference. Any product can be sold automatically. But what I want to do is I just want to send this yoga meditation tutorial. So here what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply a filter on the basis of this payment, which is 500 Indian rupees. So here it will help me that whenever a customer is going to make a payment of 500 rupees only, then only he is going to get this yoga meditation tutorials. Otherwise the otherwise the product is not going to sell. Okay, so here for this I'm going to establish a new window, and here I'm going to choose filter by Pabbly. Okay, so here in the filter I'm going to choose this amount payment captured, which is this amount 500 equal to, in the same format I wrote, and here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see the condition is true. Why? Because I made the payment of 500 only. Here what will happen now is the workflow only continue if a person is going to make a payment of 500, then only he is going to get the file of yoga meditation tutorial, otherwise not. So here this is how we have created the filter on the basis of the price of product. Now let's move forward with our next step. So here the next step is action window. Here in the action window what I'm going to choose is I'm going to choose Vati. So now your obvious question will be, why are we using Vati? So as I told you earlier that WhatsApp do not allows you to send messages directly. So for this we are using a software Vati. So I'm going to tell you about Vati. So before that let's choose the action event, which is send template message. Send template message is the action event, and then we are going to click on connect. So once I clicked on connect, here you can see I have to connect my Vati account here. So for this I'm going to click on add new connection, and here once I clicked on add new connection, you can see we have to fill this API endpoint and access token. Now your obvious question will be, from where you can get this API endpoint and access token. So for this, let us read this help text. So here you can see it is saying, navigate to top on your Vati dashboard and click on hamburger icon, then click on API docs, find your API endpoint. Okay, so here for this what we have to do is we have to log in into our Vati account. So here you can see this is my Vati account. I have already created my Vati account. So here is the dashboard. You can also start using Vati by creating your account. So here, from here you can see the overview of all the tasks you have performed with Vati, and it is really very easy. So here to connect Vati account with Pabbly Connect, I am going to click here, and this option named as API docs. Here both of the keys will be available, the API endpoint as well as the access token. So here you can see, yes, they are present. So here I'm just going to copy them and I'm going to paste them here. And again I'm going to copy this access token and then I'm going to paste it here. Perfect. And then I'm going to click on save. So once I clicked on save, here you can see my Vati account is now connected with Pabbly Connect. So as it is connected now, you can see these are the fields just appeared and they are asking us to map data. So now you must be thinking what is mapping and how you can do this. So here I would like to explain you that mapping is the same process that the data which is captured here into Pabbly Connect from Razer Pay, that same data will be available here from this drop down. So you can just simply enter the same data just by one click. So here the first field is WhatsApp number. So before mapping WhatsApp number, let us read this instruction. So here it is saying enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without plus sign. That is this example. Okay, so here the thing is in 𝑗𝑠 it does not accept the plus sign which is along with the country code. So here what we have to do is we have to mention a 10-digit valid WhatsApp number along with the country code, but we have to exclude the plus sign. So here you can see I have already mentioned the data into, I have already the data into this format. So I'm just going to map it simply here. And this is how mapping worked, that the data was available from the drop down. I just clicked once and this data is now mapped here. So now the second step is template. Now before moving ahead into template, let me show you that this is the same WhatsApp number so that you can get confirmed that this is how mapping works. So this is the phone number. You can see it is the same is available here as well. Let me adjust the window. Okay, so from here you can see this WhatsApp number. This was available here as well. And this was available here also. So we just clicked once and this data was mapped automatically. Here, perfect. Now let us move again to the next step. Here you can see the next step is template. So as my 𝑗𝑠 account is connected with Pabbly Connect, you can see all the templates available into my 𝑗𝑠 accounts are available here. Now let us again move on to my 𝑗𝑠 account and let me show you what are templates. So templates are basically predefined messages which you have to create into 𝑗𝑠 to send messages on WhatsApp. So here, as I told you, you cannot send direct messages on WhatsApp. So for this, you need to create template messages. So here, I have already created some templates into my account. And for your reference, let me show you that how you can also create new template messages in 𝑗𝑠. So from this option, you can create your own templates. So you have to give the name of template, category, and the body as well. So body, for example, you have to provide the message you are planning to send. It can be anything. For example, hello, your order is confirmed, and the details of the order. Hello, thank you for signing up, and anything like that. So once you have provided the body of template, you have to click on save as draft. Once your template is saved as draft, you need to get it approved from Facebook to use it. So here from this arrow option, you have to submit your template for approval. So once it is sent for approval, it does not get approved immediately. You have to wait at least 30 minutes to 2 business days for your template to get approved. And once it is approved, then you can start using it. So here you can see I have already created a template, send video tutorial. And this is the template which I'm going to use right now. So here the name of my template I have given is send video tutorial. Category is alert update. And here you can see this is the body of my template. So it is hi, name of the customer, congratulations, you have successfully completed registration course name, and this is the template. So the same template I'm going to choose here. Here I'm going to choose send video tutorial. Okay, this one. And now the next step is broadcast name. So here broadcast name, I'm going to give it as my customer's full name. You can give any broadcast name, whatever you like. Here the use of broadcast is basically in 𝑗𝑠 from broadcast history, you can check the details of the templates you are sending. So from here you can check the status of your broadcast message. That is just the use. So here I just gave the broadcast name as my customer's full name. Okay. Now comes the most important step of this complete workflow at last. Here you can see this custom params. So here you must be thinking, what are custom params? So let me show you my template first. Here, let me show you. This is my template. Here you would have noticed that I have provided some variables between double curly brackets. For example, this name, course name, and video topic. So here the idea is these are variables and they are going to keep on changing along with the different customers. So that is why I have provided them into custom parameters. So here what we have to do is we have to provide the same custom parameters into certain format so that a workflow can work. So what is that format? The same format is provided here, you can see in the help box. So we are just going to copy this format. Okay, and then we are going to paste the format here. Now what we have to do is you can see it asks the name of your parameter and the value of your parameter. So according to our template, we are just going to provide the name and values. So here you can see, let's count how many parameters are here into my template. So the first one is name, the second one is course name, the third one is video topic. Only 3 parameters are there into my template. So here I'm just going to mention the same format 2 more times here. Okay, so I just copied it and I'm going to paste them here. So as you can see, 3 custom parameters are ready. Now I need to provide the name of those parameters and the value of those parameters. So what is the first parameter here? The first parameter is name. Okay, so in place of color, I'm going to write name. Okay, so the name of my first parameter is name and the value will be the name of my customer. So here I'm going to map the name of my customer. So here is the name. Okay. Now let's mark the second template. So the second template, the second parameter is course name. So in the same format, which is course_name, I'm going to provide this parameter. And here I'm just going to remove this example. And here I'm going to write the second parameter. Okay. And the value of this second parameter will be course name. So the course name is yoga course. Okay. Now the third parameter here is video topic. Okay, so now again I'm going to copy this same format, which is video_name topic, and I'm going to paste it here in the place of this example. Okay, and the value I'm going to give it as the topic, video topic name. So let's see what is video topic name. Yoga meditation tutorials. Okay, the same video topic I'm going to give it as here. Yoga meditation tutorials. Okay, so now here let me explain you one more thing, that here I mapped the number, so it is going to keep on changing along with the different customer, and here I provided some details manually typing by typing manually, such as yoga course and yoga meditation tutorials. So here what will happen is the customer names is going to keep on changing with every different customer, and this course, as it is the same course, it is going to remain same. So this is the difference between mapping and typing the data manually. Now here I would like to tell you one more thing, that these were the custom parameters of my template. They can be quite different according to your template as well. So for example, if you have provided email address or website link or any such custom parameters here, you have to mention the same parameter here as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save and send test request, and then we will check if the message on this valid WhatsApp number is sending or not. So let's click here. Okay, so now as you can see, I have clicked on save and send test request, and here the response is received, and according to this, a message will be sent on WhatsApp to this customer and this number. So let us check on WhatsApp if the message is sent or not. So this is my WhatsApp, and excellent. Here you can see this is the message for Athar Khan. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the registration for yoga course. And here is the complete message along with the course file. You can see this is the course file. He have also received the course file for yoga meditation tutorials. So in this way we have created this workflow. Now let us check this workflow on real time whether it is working fine or not. So what I'm going to do here is, again I'm going to make a payment on real time, and then we will check on WhatsApp directly if the message is sending or not. So here again I'm going to make a payment. Okay. So here I'm going to mention the details of my customer here. Okay, so I just mentioned the details. So this is our customer, Alex James, his email address. Now I'm going to make the payment. Okay, so I just made the payment here. You can see the payment is successful now. Here. Now we are going to check on WhatsApp, as I have submitted the payment, the message is sending or not. So here is my WhatsApp, and perfect. Here you can see this is the message for Alex James. Congratulations, you have successfully completed registration for your yoga course, and this is the file he have received. Again the same file for yoga meditation tutorials. So in this way we have just created this amazing workflow between Razer Pay and WhatsApp, and here I would like to tell you one more thing, that you would have noticed that this is how our custom parameter are going to work, that this name of our customer is keep on changing along with every different customer. So isn't it wonderful? So let us understand what we actually did. So here I'm going to minimize all the steps and then we will recall everything. So here what we first did was we integrated our Razer Pay account with Pabbly Connect and captured all the data. And here what happened was, in Razer Pay, the product name was not captured. Here, so to differentiate between that, we entered a filter for on the basis of the value of the product. So it will going to continue only if the payment is going to be of 500 only. So that is why we entered the filter. And in the last step, we integrated our 𝑗𝑗 account with Pabbly Connect and mapped all the data. And this is how this automation was created between Razer Pay and 𝑗𝑗. So here I would like to tell you one more amazing thing, that the link of this workflow is available into the description of this video. So you can just simply copy the same link and start using this amazing workflow to automate your business into your Pabbly Connect account. Not just these applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. This was all for today's video. If you have any feedback, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also ask your queries at this link here. And if you want to check the price for Pabbly Connect, you can check the price from here, this link, and automate your business. If you like our video, do not forget to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.